All right, we are asked for the slope of a line tangent to a polar curve at theta is 0. So uh, remember that the slope of a tangent line is always dy dx, right? Which in this case is going to be y prime of theta over x prime of theta. So we need to find y prime and x prime. So x of theta is r cosine theta, which in this case is going to be 1 plus 2 sine theta times a cosine, right? And y of theta is r sine theta, which is going to be a 1 plus 2 sine theta times the sine of theta. So to differentiate both, I'm going to need the product rule. So I'll go ahead and do y prime first, right? So my y prime of theta is going to be u dv plus v du, right? And I don't need to clean that up because I was specifically asked for when theta is 0. So let's go ahead and find y prime of 0, right? Y prime of 0 is going to be 1 plus 0 times a 1 plus a whole bunch of 0, right? Because that's what sine of 0 would be. So I just get a 1, right? Which means I can pretty much instantly cross off the answer that it's 0, right? Because the numerator is a 1, right? And then let's go ahead and do x prime, right? So x prime of theta is going to be u dv plus v du, right? And then I specifically want x prime at 0, which is going to be 1 plus 0 times a 0, so that's all gone, plus a 1 times a 2 times a 1, so that's a 2. So I get a 1 as the numerator, right? So I'm going to get a numerator of 1, a denominator of 2, right? So I should get 1/2, which is B.